How to add text on page in Wix Studio. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to create or add text on page in your Wix Studio website. It's going to be very easy and simple steps. So first you have to log into your Wix Studio account. After that, you can choose your site. I'm going to choose this one. You can click on it. And then you will be in that website dashboard. And this is my website dashboard. And then you can navigate to edit site here. You can click on it. And as you can see, this is my website editor. So let's say I want to add the text on page in this section. So basically you can just add new section and then you can click add an element here. And as you can see on the sidebar here, you can go to text, this one. And there are some options here. As you can see, there is text styles, collapsible text, text marquee, text marks, text on path, text effects, and particles. So in this video, we're gonna choose text on path, and there are some options. You can choose whatever you want. So I want to choose this one. You can drag and drop. And then we're gonna change the text by click it, change text. Then let's say maybe subscribe to my channel. Thank you. And then we're gonna change the color of the text. We're gonna right click and select a layer and choose text on path and then open the inspector, and this is the text on path inspector. So basically you can choose the other design or path, maybe this one, or this one. It's up to you. I'm gonna choose this one, and then you can change the color of the background. Maybe want to change it like this or like this. It's up to you. Maybe this one. And then also you can change the text. We're gonna change the text color. So this one we're gonna change it to um maybe this one. I think it's good. And also you can change the style if you want, and then the font name, and then the size. Maybe you want to make it bigger like this. It's up to you. If you want to make it bold and italic, it's up to you guys. And then also if you want to add the animation, you can choose whatever you want. So let's say preview it. So this is my text on pad. If we click it, it will moving like this. So I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.